Working with sample-based music production and received an RX2 loop file? These are time-stretchable audio loops used in professional music software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these RX2 audio loop files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective RX2 file solution for the tough cases near the end. An RX2 file is a sliced audio loop format developed by Reason Studios, formerly Propellerhead. It contains both the audio data and slice markers, allowing music producers to change the tempo of a loop without altering its pitch. Users search for this to incorporate flexible rhythmic samples into their music projects. The RX2 format is the proprietary container. It packages a WAV or AIFF audio file, along with MIDI-like timing data for each transient slice. This design decouples rhythm from pitch, enabling the audio to be resequenced and tempo synced in a digital audio workstation, DAW, non-destructively. Your primary software solution for RX2. Files should be Reason from Reason Studios. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows may recognize the file type, but advanced work must be done in professional sound software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your RX2 file and select Open With. If Reason is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. When your RX2 file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, importing into DAWs. Most major DAWs natively support REX2 import. In Ableton Live, drag the RX2 file directly into Simpler or a sample track. In FL Studio, use the SliceX plugin. Reason has built-in REX support through Dr. Octo-REX. Logic Pro Cubase and Studio One also accept RX2 files for tempo-synced loop playback. Next, editing with Recycle. Open RX2 files in Propellerhead Recycle, the original software for creating REX format loops. Recycle allows editing slice points, adjusting individual hit pitches, and gain modifying loop length, and re-exporting to RX2 or standard audio formats. This is essential for fine-tuning loops or recreating REX files. Finally, converting to AIFF. Convert RX2 files to standard WAV format using Recycle's export function or third-party tools like the Propellerhead REX shared library converters. Some DAWs allow rendering imported REX loops to audio tracks, creating WAV versions, while losing the slice information for portability to non-REX compatible software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.